Network Entertainment.
Hey everyone, this is Gail De Chavez, and I'm the host of Free Yourself podcast. If you're new here, welcome to Free Yourself, and if you are an avid listener, welcome back. It's another episode of Free Yourself, and yeah, we are here right now. It's a video podcast, and I am here at the Pod Network right now with my team, with the people behind the camera. My childhood friend is also here, and I feel so excited. It's because it's going to be an episode where we share our thoughts, my thoughts, and something that you can learn. And I'm so freaking proud of you for choosing to grow today. Kaya, for this episode, alam mo ba na grabe, ito talaga yung iniiwasan kong pag-usapan. It's because ang dami na parang paulit-ulit ko na tong binabalik-balik sa content ko. And I realized that, oh nga no, I haven't been talking about this on my podcast. So now, I think it's right time to talk about how to deal with situationship. One of my video got viral last 3 months ago about being in a situationship. So basically, Gail, ano ba talaga yung signs na nasa situationship ako? Actually, I don't call it situationship. I call it situation shit. It's because for me, situationship is something that is not clear. Number one sign dyan, you just love the idea of having the person, but you are not willing to commit with the person that you're having a situationship with. Number two, you are just comfortable with the person and you just love to be with them because it's convenient. Yes, komportable ka. But the thing is, you don't have plans to be with this person long term. You don't have plans to be going to the next level. And lastly, you just love the idea of having the person, but again, what I've said, you're not willing to commit kasi takot ka sa commitment. And you know what? If you're going to ask me right now if Gail, is being in a situationship worth it? I tell you, it's not. It's not. You're not a girlfriend. You're not either a boyfriend. And this is not also what you can call dating or exclusively dating. You are just basically friends. Being in a situationship is basically just friends. Not dating, not exclusively dating, but the truth is, you are just freaking friends. And that's the hard pill to swallow. Kaya di ko maintindihan bakit a lot of people tends to think na may plano kaya tong tao sa akin na jojowain ako? May plano kaya tong tao na mamahalin ako? Here's the thing. Yes, a person can like you. A person can love you. But not all people can pursue you. One thing that I also want to share here is that having that kind of relationship is one-sided. Sobrang one-sided ng situationship para sa akin. Kasi isa invested, yung isa parang wala lang. Parang, sige, basta nandyan ka lang, kasama lang kita. Tapos yung pag-introduce sa'yo, friend ko. But behind all this shit, you are not basically just friends. You do things more than friends, but basically the label is just friends. Because here's the thing, situationship is not a label. And don't romanticize the thing na, ka-situationship ko yan. That's not something that you should be proud of. Because number one, you deserve to be pursued. You deserve to be loved, to be called a girlfriend, to be called a boyfriend. You deserve someone who can love you out loud. Kasi there's a thin line eh. May thin line kasi dyan, like yung dating, yung situationship, and slow burn. Ang daming ganyan ngayon. And kahit ako, sobra akong nahihirapan when it comes to dating. Kasi as for me, I am dating someone right now, and there's something in my heart na, saan ba to, where will this go? Because I want to be intentional when it comes to dating. And I am very clear with the person that I am dating with that, you know what, I don't want to be in a situationship. I don't want to be like, parang, to be a girl na, uy, kasama niya lang yan, ganyan. I want to be very intentional whenever someone asks me, yeah, we're dating, ganon. Because, dude, I don't want to be like labeled as, ayan mo yung ka-situationship niya. Because here's the thing, isa sa mga bagay na I value is that I know what I can bring in the table. I know what I can offer to the person that I like. So if you don't like me, I mean, no. Situationship is basically you like each other, but you cannot commit. You cannot be with this person. That's why whenever I tell myself na parang, wait lang, parang baka it will fall into a situationship, ganon. And whenever I feel that, or whenever na parang, syempre dating, diba? Whenever I feel like there's something that I am afraid of, yun talaga yung magfo-fall siya into situationship. Kaya, yeah, I am very vocal to the person that I'm dating na, hey, ayoko ng situationship. Ayoko ng ganyan. And a lot of people are in this loop right now. They cannot communicate what they feel to the person that they are in a situationship with. It's because they don't know how you don't know how to stand up for yourself and speak your truth, that you're not comfortable being in a situationship anymore. And the tendency is you settle. You settle to the things that is not okay with you.
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
I want to share this with you and tell you that the person who values you, who really cherish you, will not put you in that kind of situation shit. And dealing with this void in our heart, naintindihan kita kasi maybe, no, not maybe, you feel lonely. You feel lonely, that's why you settle to the things that are not okay with you. So Gail, how do I deal with this situationship? Number one, communicate. I freaking know it's hard. Di ba sabi nila, communication is the key, Gail. Ganon. But You can't even start a conversation. You don't even know paano isingit pag nandyan na yung tao. But you just need to freaking do it. Kasi di mo na namamalayan, sinasayang mo na yung oras mo. Sinasayang mo na yung buong year mo just to stay in this kind of situationship that you have right now. So you can just say that, hey, I want to clear up something. I don't want this kind of setup anymore. I want to know your intentions. I want to know if are we going to the next level or not. Because if not, then why are you there? Why are you being just a shadow for someone? So have the courage. Be clear on what you want right now. Number 2, understand and know your place. Sinasabi mo na, saan ba ako lulugar? Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ako lulugar eh. I don't know if bawal ka magselos. Walang kayo eh. Situationship, walang kayo. You don't have the right to get jealous. Yes, you can feel the jealousy, but you cannot voice out. You cannot express yourself. It's because wala kang karapatan. Hanggang dyan lang. And having that kind of setup, you just don't have boundaries. Hindi lang wala kang boundaries sa relationship or sa situationship, wala ka ding boundaries sa sarili mo. Gusto mo ba yun? Gusto mo ba yung you're always walking on eggshell? You feel like you don't have a place in his life? Of course not. So yeah. And lastly, walk away. Walk away. I'm telling this, it's because deserve mo jowain. You deserve to be called as boyfriend, as girlfriend. Again, hindi pa talaga kasi kami ready eh. Then, why are you entertaining someone? Why are you getting the peace that they have na okay naman sila na maging single? Eh kasi nakaka-lonely. And that's the thing. You're just freaking lonely and you're already destroying someone's life who have a very peaceful life. Tapos you're just going to not be intentional with this? Easy situation shit mo lang? Bruh, it's crazy. Kaya right now, if you are here in this kind of situation in your life na hindi mo na alam talaga kung anong gagawin mo, go freaking walk away. Walk away. If you cannot communicate, you cannot set the intention straight, the third one is walk away. This is the time. Ano sasayangin mo? Buhay mo? Sarili mo? Effort mo? Na sana pipiliin ka, sana i-pursue ka? No. They will not do that. Alam ko matigas ulo mo. But they will never do that. They will never choose you. They will never pursue you. And as most especially, they will never commit to you. Alam mo yung kulang sa'yo? Self-worth. Self-worth kasi you're settling for the things that you are not okay with. Alam mo, kaya mo naman mag-isa eh. Kaya mo kahit wala kang ka-situationship. The world is too big for you to play small in this kind of setup. Kung hindi man or kung wala pa mang nagmamahal sa'yo, you can still do a lot of things. You can still find yourself again. So yeah, it's crazy to think that you're already attached. But the thing here is you're just attached. You're not in love. You're just attached. So my hope for you, alam ko na kaya mo to pinapanood kasi nasa situation shit ka. You will find the courage to love yourself again, to stick to your boundaries, and to know your worth every freaking single day. Kasi kamahal-mahal ka. Kapili-pili ka. At kung walang nagmamahal sa'yo, ako mismo, I'm going to hold your hand while you're dealing with these crazy shits in your life. And you know what? It's time to free yourself. If you like this episode, go share it in your Instagram stories and tag me at Gail De Chavez on Instagram. Alam mo ba na ayoko yung ma-feel mo na mag-isa ka. Kaya gusto ko lang ihabol to. Alam mo kaya ka nandito ngayon sa phase ng buhay mo, kung anong phase ka man sa buhay mo. Kasi natatakot kang mag-isa. But I want to let you know that Free Yourself podcast will always be here for you no matter what will happen. This community, this beautiful family that we have, we always got each other and I always got you. So yeah, I just want to thank this first episode that we're recording now. I think magre-record pa ako. Kaya I'm so excited. Kaya abangan nyo yung mga next episodes for this. And yeah, I am so proud of you. Sana pagkatapos mong panoorin or pakinggan tong episode na to, you're going to be in a much better place in your heart, even if it's hard. Yeah. So yeah, please don't forget again to tag me and hit that follow button on Spotify so that you won't miss any episode. See you on Free Yourself Day on Friday. Always remember that self-growth starts with self-love. You are not alone in this journey because I got you.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.